Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Charming Weirdo. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue that you come across when you use a Java version that is above 8. So I have a simple project, actually a test project. So here when I try to run my framework, it comes up with an error saying something like, we'll wait and see. Okay, so I have created this project based on Java version 11, and I'm getting an error when I try to run this project. So what I'm getting is error, Java error, release version 5 not supported. So you might have come across this as well. So you might have tried many things, but it's not working. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this error. So in order to fix this, this is a Maven project. So you have to do a few steps to solve this issue. First, go to your file menu, and from there you have to select the project structure. From the project structure, check the project SDK. In my case, I'm using 11. So you can go down here on the left panel. You have the SDKs. From the SDKs, select 11, which you want to run this project on. So if it's not listed here, you can click on this plus icon and add the new SDK, which can be 13, 12, or something else. Okay, so click on it and then press OK. Then again go to settings, and then you need to go to this build execution and deployment, expand this one, and from here expand the compiler. From the compiler, pick the Java compiler. So if you can see, the framework target bytecode version is 1.5. So that's one issue why it is failing. So click on this bytecode version and you have the Java versions to be selected. So in my case, I'm using Java 11. So I have to pick the 11. So it will be displayed like 11 here. Okay, so click on apply and press OK. Now try to give it a run. Okay, so okay, it is building now. We'll see what happens. Okay, so you change two things on two places and still you're getting the error. Okay, so what you've got to do next is go to your pom.xml file, and then you have to add some properties to your pom file. Okay, so I will let you get this from the video description. So you have to copy that part and paste it in the pom file. Okay, I pasted it in a wrong place. It should be within the tags of project. Okay, now if you can see that this property says the source and the target, and I have set a version 1.11. So this 11 part after the decimal place, it depends on the Java version you are using. So if you're using Java 11, you have to put 11 here, and if it is 13, you have to put 13. So if 13 is the case, you have to keep the value as 1.13. Okay, so now right click on this one on the pom file and do a re-import. Okay, and then again give it a try. Okay, it is building. Okay, now the issue is fixed. The program is running. Okay, so in my case, I'm just opening the browser and navigating to google.com. Okay, so hope this will help you guys. And if you like my video, press the thumbs up. And if you like to watch more videos, click on subscribe and click on the bell button. Thank you.